What's going on, guys? So basically today I will be replacing the center console and the dash trimming with the Woody Custom carbon fiber interior pieces that I had got done by Woody Custom. So right now I'm starting off putting the emergency brake, working my way down, putting the side pillar panels. I had to put my finger on the side right here and constantly trying to wiggle to get this up without breaking this, because this is actually worth $300-400. I'm not trying to break it. Not trying to break it at all. I can sell it or do carbon fiber again also. So let's get to it. Pull this off and put on a new piece for the middle for right now. Oh shit. Shirt look kind of big. You know what I'm saying? Yo, like that. I'm like that.
A few moments later.
Trying to work this piece out without breaking it. This side kind of stiff. Shit. This side broke already. What the fuck? This shit stiff as hell. You see me, bitch? What's up? The dude was arguing with my daddy and my baby. Say, hey, baby. Hey, baby. Anyways, arguing with my girl and my daddy, we finally got the carbon fiber interior dash trimming in. I thought it was screws, but it's not screws, it's just pipe in, pop out. The same thing with behind the steering wheel under the cluster. Just pop in, pop out. Instead of trying to pay somebody to do it, we did it ourselves. I did it myself with the argument of them two. But anyways, this piece right here gave me the worst headache. You gotta pull the side pillars off on both sides. Put your finger up under the bottom, pop it up, without breaking the clips inside. Cause y'all know this shit is very delicate, but it all came out well. Everything works. You know.
Thanks, buddy.
You said what, baby?
Thanks to Woody Custom.
Thanks to, say it again.
Woody Custom.
She said, thanks to Woody Custom, guys. Yo, right in the neck. But, y'all see how she looking, man. She looking real nice. She's shiny and shit. But this is the start of the carbon fiber interior pieces. We gotta do the door panels. The gear shifter from Eric Tahu. I need a carbon fiber shifter. I might do this, but y'all know that this come off a V, so I don't know yet. But this is also the carbon fiber Alcantara's digital clustered steering wheel from Eric Tahu also. I want to do this whole thing carbon fiber, but I mean, I gotta take all this off, ship it off, and I'm not doing all that. So, yeah, probably this carbon, the door trimmings, the door handles carbon, the loop around the speakers carbon, you know, some simple stuff. Probably peel this whole part off and do that carbon since this cloth. I have a couple ideas. Maybe I should peel this off and do that carbon. Probably be too much. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. What's going on, guys? This is day 2. Messing with the G8. Now we're playing with the G8 only bumper brackets, because this one was leaning, so let's try to see what we could do, man. I heard from my daddy start yelling at me. Hold what?
This bumper where I won't scratch it. You gotta come on that side.
You need this.
You gotta hold this so I can knock the screw up.
Why your leg wet?
Huh?
Why your leg wet?
Shit, I rode the motorcycle. What's his thing? It was raining. Well, I didn't finish the group. I gotta go back, but I don't know if I'm going back. The goddamn rain. Yeah, that finna ate up. Yep, let's eat up. The crew coming up?
Yes, come on. Trying to knock the screw up now.
Huh?
You almost got it.
The screw up. What's out there?
Yo.
Okay. Go. Just there. You got it over
You take it out your pocket. You don't need
That wasn't in
those.
my pocket. Shit, that was on my butt. It hurts.
Whatever, Daddy.
Well, you changed these? You got another one?
The other one on there already, on that side. The dude that when he did the paint at the bumper, fixed the car, he lost it. Pissed me the fuck off.
So it go like this, right?
Put the short side on this side and the long side on the other side. Yeah.
Short side, go outside.
Yeah. You got it. You need me to hold the bumper again?
You sit that there first. You might have to get the longer deal. Cause it's gonna get right though.
I'm going to the other side, guys, because this dude hip is tripping.
That was in the hole. I can't get that in that hole.
Which one? This one?
In this hole.
Right here.
Yeah, is it lined up? It's in there.
No, that's in there. But we got to line the bumper up.
Yeah, that's what it is. The back is not watered, the top is watered out. There you go. Put it right here. That moves, Shannon. You got play in there. You got a whole lot of play.
Play with the bumper, Daddy.
I am playing with the bumper.
Try to make it slide over this way.
Tell them slide, Shannon. That's a steel bracket.
So after 30 minutes of fighting with this damn bumper, we finally got the GA hub bumper brackets on, but I had to go with the other side and not this side, because this side was off. It wasn't fitting in the screws, so.
Hey, give me them cuts.
Right there. We finally got it on. That line is closed up. Both sides on. Yeah, we got it, guys. GA hub, bumper brackets. Took the regular bolt side. You know, when you start tying and taking out, you start opening that hole and the bumper don't really stay on. So, we back in action, guys. Back in action. This shit crazy. So this side is on. But as you can see, the damn blow-off valve right there. Just blew off the whole goddamn panel.
Well, after this hug on,
Oh, thank you, Pops. Folks say you're welcome.
I guess.
You gonna say I guess.
Shit, Robert didn't say thank you.
I always say thank you.
Shit, I fixed Robert's car, he just drove off. He say, you want a quarter or nickel? You need some gas? This nigga said, bye, motherfucker.
I ain't got nothing to do with that part.
Huh?
So I ain't got nothing to do with that part.
Back part?
That part.
Probably use that in the toolbox.
Yeah, you always use that the first time. But yeah.
I got something. I don't even know.
Carbon fiber interior pieces done. We did this last night, guys. We got the Woody Customs carbon fiber interior pieces mounted in from the dash trimming. Look how shiny it is, bro. That should look good. Dash trimming from the driver's side to the passenger side. You see, I need to clean this out, dusty. And the major part, the center console. All this is dusty. All this gotta be clean. So the center console with the Eric Towel carbon fiber steering wheel. I don't really know how to feel right now, guys, but we back in session. Ghost 3.0 coming in full effect. Pro Charger, nitrous, Australian gauges with the boost, air fuel ratio, fuel express, the nitrous. Got the nitrous fuel tanks in the back. 2 of them, 100 shot, 11 to 12 pounds of boost on the Pro Charger. Let's see. I need to get the Eric Towel fucking carbon fiber shifter. But here's all the pieces. You say I got what? Oh, that's it. What I'm doing next is the Lightning Trend interior lights with silver holding, luxury auto lighting. Interior lights. This is what's gonna be next. Hopefully soon. He said he'll probably holler at me this weekend. I don't like dealing with wires. So hopefully get that done. That's the end of the video. I'm out.